Alright, hello everybody. We are on Ohio Street here in Clinton. We're on our way to the Village Car Wash, which they actually upgraded their systems. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get a pretty good chance to film them. I might look back in the archives and upload them, but they used to be Washworld Razors, and from what I saw, they actually updated to some Petit auto wash systems, so we're gonna go check it out. Alright, and if we come back to this building here, there it is. You can see the new signage out there already. And we got lines at both bays. And the doors are down, so that leaves quite a mystery as to what systems are in here. But over here, you got your wash options. You can pause to read. Oh, look at that. There it is. The mist is, yep, Accutrac 360. There goes the door. Alright, so we're going to go for the Works, which has actually been raised from 10 to 15, so it's a little more expensive, but we can go ahead and get that. There's the new signage there. It says Alright, sorry about that. The batteries died on me. But yeah, the sign right there, it says Select Wash. And it also has the wait light turned on as well. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the moon roof here. There. Well, guess we'll be right back when this person in front of us finishes their wash. Alright, there goes the person in front of us. So yeah, Petit auto wash equipment. Whoa, those blasters. They actually made the bay a lot longer. I guess that gives it support for extended vehicles like dualies and long beds. But yeah, Accutrac 360. It's a brand new system. And like I said, these used to be Washworld Razors. Alrighty, and here we go. We got some lights up there. This is actually my first Accutrac 360 system ever. We're starting out with our pre-soak. Now, from what I've seen on YouTube before, I've seen one other system, or car wash rather, that has this exact system, and these systems are actually known for being really fast at switching cycles. We can barely see a thing in here. There's so much pre-soak on the car. Looks like we have an empty pass. Oh, triple foam. It's a little unexpected. Ooh. Well, ain't that a surprise? This triple foam is actually bubblegum scented. Just like the Soft Gloss Max at Bullseye. Wow, that shook the car. It's actually shaking the car, it's so powerful. Okay. Oh, wow. We got that lava effect going on here. That is cool. With some nice light effects. Here we go again. But for being brand new, it really shakes the car on high pressure. It really shakes it towards the back. We're at the spot-free rinse already. This system goes so quick. So look, they even have lights on themselves too. That is so cool. There we go. That's it. That is insanely quick. That is really quick. And we got new dryers out here too. So these should do a much better job. Look at those big motors on them. It's vibrating the car. Not the best job, but it's spot-free water, so it should be fine. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. That was definitely quite a change. There's all the manual bays. But yeah, brand new Accutrac 360s. And we had the Razors for so long. Before that, we had DNS 5000s in this car wash. But yeah. Thanks for watching.